Do you love sour cream? Do you love creamy and delicious ingredients covering egg noodles? Then you will love this creamy stroganoff sauce I made for dinner the other night. It is a mixed grill version I came up with when trying to think of something to do with leftovers. I am sure you will love trying this recipe. It is an elegant and delicious dish for dinner. I combined in a slow cooker leftover grilled steak tips and pork roast cut into cubes. I added half of a chopped, medium-sized onion, a cup of sliced, fresh mushrooms, a tablespoon of butter, and 2 cups of beef broth, which I made from a powdered mix. I cooked everything in the slow cooker for 6 hours. Once the ingredients were done, I transferred the ingredients into a large saucepan and then onto the stovetop on medium heat. I then added half of a cup of beef gravy mix. I stirred everything as it thickened. Then I added a cup of sour cream and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. As you can see, I have 2 cups of wide egg noodles boiling alongside in a saucepan. Just look at that stroganoff, and how about that rich and velvety sauce? I drained the noodles and then plated them. I then generously ladled the stroganoff onto the noodles. I tidied up the plate, and now it's time for dinner. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.